This is a tech tool that's very new to me, the Classkick. I've been playing around with it and it looks pretty awesome. And it's got a free login access. So what I've already done so far is I've set up an assignment. The way that you set up assignments is you can import by going over to this little feature over here. It'll send you here when you first get into Classkick. You can set up an assignment, new blank assignment where you can create on here, or the cool option is you can create from your own files. So I go ahead and I'm going to do that. I'm going to select a file, the 6th grade composition. Let's say I really wanted to work on probe 2, but I only want them to focus on 4 questions. I can pick how many of the questions I want. This would be especially great for those of us who have PDFs of work already. We can just sort of crop what we want. You can make a PDF of any of your Google Doc work, so this could be really cool for uploading it. All right, so I've selected the section that I want. It's going to be a new question. And you could add another one if you wanted to, but for this, that's going to be my exit ticket for the day. Finish it here. I'm going to go ahead and call it my exit ticket, or whatever I just typed up there. Algebra, it's not algebra. 6th grade, and I'm going to make it private for only my students, but we could be sharing across, especially those of us who have partner teachers. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and assign to a roster, my sample roster. Cool. And then I have a class code. So I'm going to select the class code, and there's a link right here. So then what you can do is connect it over to your Google Classroom and link it so that the students have easy access to the assignment. You can date it to make it even easier for them to find. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this link, and I want to open it over on a different browser so we can see it a little more clearly. All right, so as we log in, have your students use their names so you can support them. And then they have access to that assignment, and you also have access to their work on the assignment. So you can see what the students are doing, and they can be working at the same time. So as your students are working, they're answering their questions, they're using the space to do modeling or writing their responses, and then they can also ask for support. So they can let you know, hey, I need you to check my work, and that sends an alert to you on your image that, hey, this student needs help. So then you can click open their screen, and as you're clicking open their screen, you can decide if they're doing a great job. You could text them like, hey, you got it. Move on. And that'll go over to their screen when you are done uploading it. Okay, so it goes right on their screen. Another option is, again, for some of our students who might need that audio support instead, you can also record. So, hey, you're really doing a great job. Keep it up. Make sure you're using different strategies like the standard algorithm. And that will record it for that student. And that student can listen to your personalized recording over on their board over here. So Classkick, it looks like it's got a lot of possibilities for us. It provides feedback, it allows you to see that formative assessment data, and you can monitor a lot of students' work at the same time. And then as they're finishing up, you'll have that data on here to look back at for the students that you don't get. You can also organize the students by their score, by their last name. You can filter and allow peer helpers to support each other. There's lots of opportunity with this. So go ahead, give it a try. Try to upload an assignment and see how you like Classkick.